Hello my friends, it's Norma and thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So I went shopping. I still have all my fall decorations out. I want to enjoy those for a couple more weeks. The time goes by so fast, but I also don't want to wait too long for Christmas because that goes by fast as well. I haven't started putting any Christmas stuff out, but I did want to start preparing because there was some specific things that I wanted, and when I went shopping there was also some things that I didn't even know I wanted that I wanted. They have the cutest stuff. So today I went to Hobby Lobby and Walmart and I found the cutest things. So first I'm going to show you around the aisles of both, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I got.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
At Hobby Lobby, it was a little bit harder to record because there were so many people there. I mean, it was pretty early on a Monday, so I just expected more people to be at work, I guess, but the aisles were crowded. So I did get as much as I could. I hope you were able to see what my Hobby Lobby had and hopefully get some inspiration, but this is what I ended up getting. Ooh, I should have taken them out of the bag as well. So I got this sign. You can read it, Merry Christmas. So I want to put this in my bathroom. Last year, I don't usually do things, but I found a bunch of gnomes. They just kind of found me. So I found them at different places, but I decorated my bathroom all with gnomes, and I got so many compliments. Everybody thought it was so cute. So I'm going to do it again this year, but I didn't have a sign for the wall, so I'm going to put this up in there. And I also found this cute little gnome. I think I needed one more for the bottom shelf, but I'm sure I'll find a place to put him. And I don't care if gnomes are out of style. I love them. And the next thing I got was this candle holder. I was gonna get just the single ones. They were so pretty, but I saw this one and I really liked it. And then I got some white tapered candles to go with it. I'm not sure about the color. I mean, I'm sure eventually I'll use these, but I might change the color. Depends on where I decide to put this. I also got this mini wreath, and I was gonna put it on the mirror in my entryway, but when I was standing in line, I had these together and it just kind of fits. Isn't that pretty with the candles? I don't know. We'll see what I do, but that's a possibility. Possibilities are endless. You never know. Okay. And I also got some ribbon. This is dark red, almost maroon. It doesn't like list a color or anything, but this is, ooh, I should have gotten a thicker ribbon because I have a wreath to make and I want to put a big bow on it. Well, we'll see how this looks. If not, I can always go back and see what else I find at Hobby Lobby. And then everybody has so many reindeers and I think they're so cute, so I jumped on the train. I got these two small reindeer and this really big one. In the video there's a reindeer that's brown and it has some color, red and green, around the neck. It has, like, I don't know, it looks like a necklace. I don't know what it would be called, but the yoke, I don't know. But I got these instead. The colored one was probably about $10 more expensive, and this one is beautiful. So we'll see where I put these as well. The last thing that I got is this tree. I think it's so pretty. It's one of the natural feels. I think that's what they're calling it. Who knows? But I thought this would look really pretty in my entryway as well. So we'll see where this ends up also. That's everything that I got from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm going to move on to what I got at Walmart. I got this beautiful wreath. I don't know what size it is. It's a 24-inch cypress, and it's also that soft. Oh, I just love the way it feels. So I thought I would put this on my door outside. And then I got these bells just like everybody else has been getting. Not everybody, but you know. So I thought I would put them something like this, and then this is what I wanted the big bow for. So I'm not sure how that small bow will look, but we're gonna try. I think this looks absolutely beautiful. I bet it's gonna make a lot of noise every time we open the door. We'll see how we can deal with that. And I also got these little cranberries. I got 10 of these. They're the ones that come with the little, like, alligator clip on the end. So I'm going to put these in my tree. I like the way they look frosted. I know some people say they don't like the frosted, but I think these look really pretty. I mean, I don't have a flock tree. I just have a regular tree. So I think it's going to be a beautiful touch. And the last thing I got from Walmart are these bells. They're plastic, but they're pretty. I'm going to put these outside on my front posts. So we have... it's a big ornament. I would say maybe like 6 to 8 feet. That's all lit up. We got it at Lowe's a few years ago. So we're going to put that over the door, and then on the two posts that are out there, I'll hang these. and either wrap some lights or some ribbon around the posts to match. But I think that's gonna look absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's everything that I got from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I'm doing so good on sticking to my budget. I spent about $100 at Hobby Lobby and about $75 at Walmart, so I'm right there. If I won the lottery, I would absolutely go back and get more. They had the cutest things, but I don't even buy tickets, so it's kind of impossible. But I'm planning on going to Home Goods next, so that's gonna be a big one. Hopefully I can stick to a budget within there. I plan on spending about $50, maybe less, at Home Goods. We'll see how that goes. And then I got gift cards for from work for Target and Michael's, so I'm gonna try to stick to the $50 there too. I think I'm just trying to kid myself, but we'll see what happens, but I plan on sharing that as well. So I hope you got some inspiration or saw some things that you liked, so that you can go visit your local Hobby Lobby and Walmart. And I'm sending love and blessings to all of you. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next one.